Another day, another corruption scandal in Chicago. Federal authorities today charging 7 people in a lucrative kickback scheme involving a former alderman and an ex-Cook County commissioner. In tonight's intelligence report, one of the men charged is also an ex-con from a similar corruption case 16 years ago.
ABC 7 investigative reporter Chuck Gowdy is here with the story.
Alan, Kathy, fallen Chicago Alderman Ambrosio Medrano didn't have to ask for directions to the federal courthouse today. He spent plenty of time there in the middle 1990s when he was indicted in Operation Silver Shovel. Medrano pled guilty in that payoff scheme, spent 2 years in federal prison. Today, he was back before a judge to face new corruption allegations with new co-defendants.
You won't stop, will you?
Former Cook County Commissioner Joseph Mario Moreno is the other one-time political figure charged by federal authorities in Thursday's corruption case. In an initial court appearance, Moreno was allowed to go free on bond, but former 25th Ward Chicago Alderman Ambrosio Medrano was ordered held in the federal lockup.
Mr. Medrano is not a flight risk. We're going to come back to court, hopefully get him out on bond, and then we can start fighting his case.
We want him to be treated the same way they treat the other defendants. Obviously, the government's taken a different position with him, perhaps because he has a prior.
That prior political corruption ended Medrano's promising political career, and he was very apologetic at the time.
He offered, I took. He didn't hold a gun to my head. I could have walked away, and I didn't.
This time, the scheme involved bandages, according to federal agents. The pair of political chums accused of rigging a bandage contract at Cook County Stroger Hospital that authorities say would have resulted in thousands of dollars kicked back to each of them by a West Suburban distributor and this Nebraska pharmaceutical firm.
Mr. Moreno is aware of the seriousness of the allegations. He looks forward to having the matter resolved in court, and he will really have nothing more to say. He is not going to resolve the matter on TV or in the newspapers. It'll be resolved in court.
If people are taking bribes to put contracts out to folks and paying kickbacks back, that's just criminal behavior. I would not equate that with politics at all.
Alderman Danny Solis is a 16-year political rival of Medrano's.
We all have to wake up, that you can't be taking advantage of a position that you've been elected to or trying to take advantage of it, because it doesn't pay. The embarrassment, the shame, the going to jail, the hurt that you cause friends and family, it's not worth it.
Mr. Moreno, who was a Cook County commissioner for 16 years until he lost re-election in 2010, is also charged in a separate bribery scheme in Cicero. He allegedly took a $5,000 bribe to grease a waste transfer contract there while he was an appointed member of Cicero's Business Assistance Board. It is fitting, I think, that tomorrow is Patrick Fitzgerald's last day as U.S. Attorney here in Chicago. What a way to take it out.
All right, Chuck.
Thanks.